Hey baby boo, where's your halo? sNakebody, jump without the cables in the Rari. Hey baby boo, where's your halo? sNakebody, jump without the cables in the Rari. Fly clothes that I wear, outfit got me at peace. Music down my spine, feel the bass when I eat. Yep, Crip was in the van, but now I'm about to sign the lease, huh? Bringing out the Holy One.
What's up, everyone? It's Law. Hope everyone is doing good. We back, we chilling on the way. We're just gonna get straight into it. We're using this eyeliner to elongate my eye, and then I'm gonna be aligning that to my nose, to the end of my eye, to the end of my eyebrow.
Spit another fable, shot through fagels, circle around the black car up, no cable. Tryna hit the Legos, head by the tables, pussy wet like Lakers, no stable, dawg. Fam is fake, they left me in the call. Levitate, I rise above it all. See me up, you're trying to give me calls. Lettering a merit to the cause. Make a move, you're playing with the guard. Some could break it, some could bend the law. Beat it up or walk on top of walls. Yes I am, and yes you are a dog.
Here we are just carving out the eyeliner design that we desire. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I really did not want to do a voiceover, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use this voiceover and just talk about my experience living in the quote-unquote United States, and my parents being from Mexico and how those cultures did clash. I was born and raised in Atlanta, Georgia. I grew up in the same house that I was born in my entire life. Went to the same public school, elementary, middle, and high school. And growing up in Atlanta, I honestly felt very confused on why I was here. All of my family actually lived in Texas or Mexico, so only my dominant family was in Atlanta. And I always kind of wanted cousins growing up in Atlanta, but I did grow up going to Mexico, visiting my family over there. We would go on road trips, also visit my cousins in Texas, so that was nice. Not to get too sidetracked on my life story, we are cleaning up the lines on the eyeliner. This is a very important step. I really feel like this makes everything look clean, look sharp. It really gives it that flawless look. But ultimately, I feel like you are from your household, no matter what city you're in. It'll influence you, of course, by your environment and, you observing and stuff. And it made me a mutable person being raised in Atlanta. But I really feel like your household is your roots.
Gotta keep it in the host, running everything West Coast. Coffee said we got the blessings, it's a toast. Trying to fit all on your motion. Bend it over now and touch your toes. I'ma see how far the baby trying to go. Reach the flow and now it's colder. Go and cool, yeah, we had to show up. Kamehameha into my song. Got some ladies for my homies. If they want it, is your bone it. Keep it company, you're never alone, long. My bae want me, My bae, low key. Hit it from the side, and I'm about to put my face in it. About to hit rewind, play it back, we just improving. Support me all the time, every day, yeah, it's new to me. Legendary shit, so we don't give a fuck. I can see it from a mile. Black skin get to glazing, never saying why. Money move, you just taking. Got me feeling proud, ideas, yeah, they baking. Legendary shit, so we don't give a fuck. My bae want me, My bae, low key, dawg. My bae want me, My bae, low key, dawg. Run it up, full line, lead them up, y'all. Namaste, lip, mama skipping off tall. It's in my blood, I'ma get it, blue coat balls. Fuck excuses, what's the double uses gon' cause? Skipping lines, who gon' get it, baby, roll call. Building empire from the ground up, and we gon' ball. Yeah, I'm feeling, how you feeling, we need more, dawg. We gon' share our legacy, so hit the folk, dawg. My bae want me, My bae, low key, dawg. My bae want me, My bae, low key, dawg.
I do want to give a big shout out to High My Head. He is the artist music who's playing all throughout the video. So groove, we in this bitch.
Don't play, yeah, I'm really fucking with my shit all day, like Saturn, I'm rolling in this bitch with more rings, yeah. So I need a pretty women, yeah, for me, yeah, for me, I hold it down. Don't play, yeah, I'm really fucking with my shit all day, like Saturn, I'm rolling in this bitch with more rings, yeah. So I need a pretty women, yeah, for me, yeah, for me, I hold it down. My shit, bringing out Cardi, we bout to have us a party. Yeah, calling me Molly, I'm finna light up a body. Yeah, think it's Tommy, the way that she moving it fun. Yeah, don't need your money, currency straight from my Tommy. Don't play, yeah, I'm really fucking with my shit all day, like Saturn, I'm rolling in this bitch with more rings, yeah. So I need a pretty women, yeah, for me, yeah, for me, I hold it down. Don't play, yeah, I'm really fucking with my shit all day, like Saturn, I'm rolling in this bitch with more. Cut the cameras, we just dancing, going up until we gotta go down the road like the engine. Smoke your feelings, love around the block, we bout to blow, I had the magic in my hand and didn't use the wine, but never gave it up. I powered up, I even learned the tongue. And now we split, I scream, I know this where you're coming from. Keep bossing up, expand your mind to find another love. Cut the cameras, we just dancing, going up until we gotta go down the road like the engine. Smoke your feelings, love around the block, we bout to blow, Libra all up in me, I'm about to air it out. Keep the water, but you'll never see the man drown. By the shake up the whole earth and make some family proud. Fire burner, I'ma heal myself and in the crowd. Sick fits with the box, got the Kleenex, pearly whites in a bucket with the seat back. Soul on fire, always got me yellow heat pack. Go to Mars, passion always make me see best. Sick fits with the box, got the Kleenex, pearly whites in a bucket with the seat back. Soul on fire, always got me yellow heat pack. Go to Mars, passion always make me see best. Cut the cameras, we just dancing, going up until we gotta go down the road like the engine. Smoke your feelings, love around the block, we bout to blow, Cut the cameras, we just dancing, going up until we gotta go down the road like the engine. Smoke your feelings, love around the block, we bout to blow, Your pieces in me, I want it, girl, and more. pieces in me. I want it, girl, and more. Fight it, lady, she smoking on my ganja. Have my babies, the shorty got me on it. Drive me crazy, but I'ma whip it longer. What's the hold up? What's the hold up? I want it. Your pieces in me. I want it, girl, and more. Back to a trip and my heart hold up, little mama coming back again. I had enough, hold up, pulling up, I'm tripping, need that again. She wanna fuck, good luck, never slim, hope that bitch keep her win. That bitch keep her win, that bitch keep her win. Hitting the blunt, I'ma put all my shit in, got leak like a pin. One shooting up, one more time, I'ma turn lip, mama, let's make it 10. You walk the spots in your body, you got wet, we make that no rim. Make that no rim, make that no rim. I want it. Your pieces in me. I want it, girl, and more. I want it. Your pieces in me. I want it, girl, and more. Fight it, lady, she smoking on my ganja. Have my babies, the shorty got me on it. Drive me crazy, but I'ma whip it longer. What's the hold up? What's the hold up? I want it. Your pieces in me. I want it, girl, and more.